what these are. X value of the discontinuity. I'm going to give you X equals -2. You tell me. Hold, jump, or asymptote. Jump. Right? That's a jump. And removable or not? Non-removable for jumps. Okay. And then how about X equals 2? Jump. And again, non-removable. I'm going to use the quotes to bring it down. Is there anything else? Yeah, X equals 4. And is that a whole, jump, or asymptote? Whole. Is it removable or not? I almost wrote home instead of whole. Removable. We can remove holes, right? Canceling a factor removes it, and that creates a hole. Okay. Intervals on which H is continuous. How do you think you did on that? Think you did okay? Negative infinity all the way to -2. What do I put around -2? Bracket. Do you guys get that? Because it ends, it's leading up to that point that has a bracket. Then I go, yeah, -2 to 2 in parentheses. And then 2 parentheses all the way to infinity. Okay. Oh, I missed the 4. I'm sorry. Yeah. So I missed it. 2 to 4 parentheses. Thank you. And then 4 to infinity. Whoa, whoops. Okay. How'd you do with the limit problem? Are you okay? Did you factor it? You want to factor the numerator, take out a GCF, 4 from the left. -5x becomes x minus 4. And you have to take out a GCF first to get x squared minus 3x minus 4. And then do x method. It factors to x minus 4 times x plus 1. I'm not going to go through the steps. You guys know that, right? So then x minus 4 cancels. Now we can plug in 4. So it's -5 times 4 over 4 times 4 plus 1. That's -20 over 4 times 5 is 20. So it's -1. Okay? Yeah. Can you do substitution? The denominator. Wait, what? If you try the originally substitution, you can't because you'd get a 0 here, which would make the whole denominator 0. Right? If you plug in 4, right? You're gonna get a 0 in the denominator. Hold up. If we do, did I mess up? 4q minus 3 minus 3 times 16 minus 16 is 0. Maybe you just made a little math mess up. Okay, so it will be 0 either way. Okay. All right. So today we're going to be, oh, here's the solution to the challenge mode, by the way, if you are interested. Y has to equal 8 in the previous equation. So you plug in x equals a and y equals 8. So x plus a, after you factor like the, this guy would become a difference of squares, x minus a times x plus a. Times x plus a all over x minus a, they cancel. And so x plus a has to equal this 8, right? That y value in order for it to be continuous because the limit has to equal the value of the function. You solve it, we get a equals 4. Okay. Anyway, that's how it's done. But today we're going to be calculus detectives. So your goal today is to match each graph labeled A through L with one of each of the following categories. And I thought the emojis were fun. I came up with all the emojis. So on your grid, you're going to put the answers. I do have the answers if you want to check anything. So I'm going to hand out the cards. I'm going to give each group cards. And you guys can feel free to spread out.